The cases entity in Alert Stratus has been extended to support both billable and non-billable activities. It's also a very effective entity when we're managing cases or incidents related to account equipment, particularly if that equipment record is tied to a service contract we might have with a customer. So to create a case related to an account equipment record, I'm going to click our Alert Stratus tab. I'll select the cases entity, where here I'll see a list of all of our open and closed cases. And I'll select New here in the ribbon bar to create a new case. So for this scenario, we'll create a case against a piece of account equipment that's tied to a service contract that we have with a customer. So first I have this case number. This field's going to be grayed out because the system creates that for us. So our customer will type in our account that perhaps is calling in and letting us know that a piece of their equipment might be malfunctioning. As soon as I type it in, I'll be able to see a list of all of the contracts we have with this customer, and I'll also be able to see a list of all of the contract lines on this contract. So in this case, we have just one contract with this customer. I can see multiple lines that they might have with us, and if I choose to not select Filter by Related Address, I'll be able to see all the contract lines across all of the different addresses that I might have with this A store customer. So if they're calling us about this piece of equipment here, I can select that as the line item and very quickly see that this item is under warranty. So as I scroll down to our service details, I can see their contract, the contract line. I can see the piece of account equipment if I need to be able to drill down right to that table. To take a look at the account equipment record, I can very quickly see the warranty start and end dates. I can see that they are entitled to non-billable support. And going back to my case, I can also drill down to our product if I need to be able to see more details around this particular product. So as soon as I select the contract line item, it's already bringing over my service and my coverage code, so I already know that this item is under warranty and that their entitlement is going to be support non-billable between these hours. So all I have to do from here is fill in the rest of the details for this case and then send that to the appropriate resource. So I can put in the contact that might be calling in. Say the case origin was by phone. Say hardware malfunctioning. And write a note that it's under warranty. I can select the subject so we can do reporting on the type of hardware that we're performing our cases against. Have our case type as a problem. I can put this against a project task as well if I'd like to. Our closed and closed date fields are always going to be grayed out because this is going to get auto-populated once we complete and close out the case. And scrolling down, I can provide a description. And then in our assignment information, here's where I'm going to assign one of my resources to this case. So I'll assign it to Maria. I can change the status reason of this case if I wish. I can also add a follow-up by date. We have all of our standard billing information as well as our price level. And I'm going to save this case. So now that I've saved it, I can choose to add any files or notes to this case. And because I've now assigned this to our Maria Camacho resource, this case now belongs to her, and this will be sitting in her queue as a case that needs to be resolved.